Hi everybody, flippity.net. This is cool, and I know some of you have probably used this before, but it's neat. They've upgraded it and they put in some new stuff. You can use a Google spreadsheet called Google Sheets and create any one of these cool little puzzles or games right on online, and you can share it with your students. There's flashcards. There's like a Jeopardy game show, name picking. Those of you into EDU breakout EDU, there's something very similar. They call it a scavenger hunt. All sorts of timeline. I know some of you are asking for timelines. These are all done through a Google Sheet. And the way you do this, let's do demo. Just shows you what it would look like. So if I do a demo of the Flippity quiz show, you can see what the quiz show would look like, and it's very nicely done. Again, you can edit all these little categories. You can edit the questions and answers. So for example, if I go on here, movies 300, and I'm not too sure what the answer is for that, but if you have the kids answer the questions, and if they get it right, and if they're wrong, etc., boom, find out what the answer is while you're sleeping. Nice, click on it again, and it'll show you the scores of the teams. And again, it grays out the one you just did, so you don't do it again. So it's kind of a neat little way to review some stuff that you're working on, science, math, you name it, all sorts of different things. Look at all the different puzzles and so on. There's word searches, spelling words, Mad Libs, one of my favorite things to do in ELA class, the good old hangman game, make a tournament bracket, all sorts of goodies. How do we make these things though? That's great, Dennis, but how does this work? Okay, so the instructions are on each one of the puzzles or flippity items. But what you need to do is step one, template. You click on the template. It brings you directly to a Google spreadsheet. We are going to make a copy. Step two, make a copy. It'll make a copy for us. It automatically puts it into our Google Drive, so we don't have to go save it anywhere. You'll see right here, copy of. You can change the name of that if you so desire. Could be a science flippity quiz show, could be social studies, whatever you need to whatever you need to name it. You can do that right up here just by simply clicking on it. Now we can rename it. Okay, rename right here. All right, so now we renamed it. The next thing we want to do, the step three, is we need to, well, obviously you're going to edit and put your questions and answers in here. That's up to you, or maybe you want to share this with your students and they can create the questions. Totally up to you how you want to do that. But we go to File, and once you're ready for it to be put on or to share with other people, or even just to project it onto your screen, we go to Publish to Web. So this is step three. We're going to publish to web. And what it'll do is it's going to create a link for us. And it's going to work through it. It'll let you know when it's done. So here we are. We just need a link. So we're just going to go Publish. And of course, we're ready for that. So we go OK. And there's our link. We don't need to make a copy of that. That's good. This is all ready to go. We can close that off. The next thing we need, this is the one we need right here, get link here. Let's click on that guy. This is the link we're looking for right there. I know it's kind of a long link, but it does, you can just click on it and it opens up a brand new page for you. And there's your game, or it might be a timeline, or it might be a puzzle or whatever you might have set up. And here it is, and it's ready to go. And this is shareable. You can put that on the web. You can, just like I said before, you can run the game yourself, project it onto the screen. So hopefully that's been helpful for you. Let me know if you're going to use any of these, or if you need help with this. I'd love to come in your classroom and show you how I would use in the class. So have a great day. Hopefully this has been beneficial for you, and we'll talk to you soon. See ya.